Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. It is sweltering out here. It's 98 out there. It's 111 in here. I mean, I go home, I lose 3 pounds a day. So, in a little while, I'm going to be in good shape. But I wanted to bring you this car. I know you've seen it before. It's a fantastic freaking car. It's going to be at our auction on Labor Day weekend at Moody Gardens. We've got that big auction coming up. It's a great car, 72 Corvette Coupe, 383 stroker motor, air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering. I mean, all the good, neat stuff. I brought you an earlier video about me buffing out the windows and all that kind of stuff. Well, I've got all the windows installed, which is, they're really a pain in the neck, folks, but I got them all done. But I wanted you to come around over here and actually see the bare bones of one of these cars. Everybody sees it with the interior in it and all that kind of good stuff, but these are the bare bones of these cars. Fiberglass flooring, 4-speed. I just set the air conditioning unit in, and now I'm working on all the wiring, which is all behind everything. You don't realize it, but there's so much wiring and everything that goes into one of these things. The gauges are going to be right here, right? So all of this wiring's got to be hooked up to the gauges and all that kind of good stuff. This here is for the windshield wiper relay, so the windshield wipers work. Just so much goes into one of these cars. But that being said, and you see the bare bones of it, take a look at the interior that we're putting in this car. You've got the Burgundy outside. We just finished the interior. It's that nice sand tan that's going in it. And we're going to have the Burgundy carpet underneath it. Folks, it's going to be a stunner. All brand new. It's going to be a brand new old car. So folks, if you got something, if you need something, if you want something, just like what we do here at Muscle Cars of Texas. But all good stuff is happening right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.